CMS has developed the Nursing Home Employee Satisfaction Survey, which gives staff the opportunity to share how they feel about their work environment. Results from the survey will provide valuable insights and help you identify areas for improvement. To help you administer the survey, we have created an implementation guide. The guide walks you and your team through 4 key steps: initiate and prepare for the survey, implement the survey, interpret the results, and improve the priority areas. It's time to take the first step and initiate the survey process. To get started, we recommend establishing a survey team to help you conduct the survey. This team should include a survey coordinator to oversee implementation of the survey, a survey champion to advertise and promote the survey widely, and a data entry lead to enter the data into the data collection and analytics tool and compile the results. As you prepare, make sure that you determine a safe and secure location for staff to submit their surveys. Now it's time to inform and generate excitement among your employees. In the guide, you can find talking points to help you discuss the survey, a letter or email memo to send to your staff, and a poster to hang up in break rooms or near time clocks. As you share the news, be sure your staff understands that the survey is anonymous. Employees should not write their names on the survey so that results can remain anonymous. They should be honest in their responses. The survey results are only useful when employees feel empowered to be truthful in their answers. And the survey is quick. It should take about 10 minutes to complete, but additional time should be given if needed. Now it's time to implement the survey. 2 weeks is the recommended period to allow for responses. To encourage high response rates, consider setting a participation goal. Once surveys are completed and collected, it is time to compile and interpret the results. The designated data entry lead will enter responses into the data collection and analytics tool, and the results will be displayed. Review and analyze your results so you can prepare to take action. Now that you understand your results, it's time to share them with your staff and determine how you will make changes and improve. Consider discussing the results in an all-staff meeting to ensure the information is widely shared. In the guide, you will also find a customizable letter and email template that you can use to communicate the results with your staff. While your nursing home's path to change may be long or short, what is most important is that you act on the survey results and that your staff see you make efforts to change and improve. Following these steps, initiate, implement, interpret, and improve will help you make the Nursing Home Employee Satisfaction Survey a success. Please reach out if you have any questions. This is Building on a Culture of Quality, your guide to outstanding person-centered care.